Right, so today, this evening, because it's only a short amount of time I've got really, I'm just gonna do a little bit more prep on the engine and also on the gearbox itself. So you can see they're kind of ready in action. I know I should be probably doing gearbox, well, bell housing off onto the gearbox and then gearbox and bell housing back onto the engine, but still feeling a bit intimidated by it, so I'm just going to continue to move on to removing some stuff, and also I think probably get rid of the starter motor here off the side might help me with some of this side of the bell housing anyway. So I'm just stripping this down first because I feel like that's probably the easier of the two tasks, and then if I get time I'm going to have a little go at this evening with my work buddy Dotty. So that's the plan, and we'll see how it goes.